Hello and welcome to Be Savvy and Create. My name's Tracy and today we're going to be looking at creating a clipping mask in photopea. I'm going to open up photopea here and click on new project. And we're going to click on the YouTube cover just because it's a nice rectangle so we can use our photo in it quite nicely. Right, first we're going to start by uploading our image. If you click on File and click on Open and Place. Find the image and open. If you hold Shift while you are pulling on the edges of the photo, it will keep everything in the right order. And now we're going to go onto text and onto the character so we can sort out what font we would like to use. So today we're going to be using the distant galaxy. We're going to change the size to 850 and we're going to change the colour to white. And we're going to type home or whatever other wording you'd like to choose to type. And if you click on the little arrow up here, that enables you to move whatever is on this layer. So there we go, we're going to leave it there. And now we need to bring the text underneath the photo layer. So if you click and hold on the text layer and just pull it down underneath the photo layer, and now the text has disappeared. But we're going to click on the photo layer. If we left click and go down to clipping mask, and there you go, the photo has gone inside the lettering. We can change the lettering a little bit if you like to make it a bit longer. So if you click on this one here, this makes the text taller so we can fit more of the photo in. Click on your layer and then if you click on it and pull the toggle, it can change how your letters look. So you can go quite crazy with this or just add a little bit more height. And now we're going to go on the photo and we're going to move it to where we'd like it on our lettering. There we go. And now I might change the colour of the background. I might use black. So if we click on the gradient tool, if we left click, it also brings up the paint bucket tool. So you want to click on the paint bucket tool, change the colour here to black. It is usually set as black, but I was doing some work earlier. And then just click on the background and there you go, it stands out a lot more now, does the picture. And that's it, that's all you have to do. To save, just go up to the file, export as, and save however you'd like. I usually save in PNG, so you click on PNG and save. That's all there is to it. Well, thank you very much for watching. Feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel, or you can find us at besavvyandcreate.com. Okay, thank you. Bye.